Good morning, Standard 9 students. Today, from Trigonometry 22A exercise, it from 22 exercise, I am going to solve some questions. Questions are for you. It seems to be different, but it is not different. All the questions are written in different way. You have to identify only one, which way you will write so that it is convenient for you to give the answer. Like first question, then I will explain you later on. First question, how the question is written in different way. First question number 7. If cos A is equal to 5 by 30. 5 by 30. Then find first sin A minus cot A by 2 tan A. Second, sin A minus 1 by tan A. 8. First of all, how we solve this type of question? What is here? Cos A is equal to 5 by 30. And cos, we know, B by H, base by hypotenuse. Immediately you draw the right angle triangle. C. Eight. Right here A. Angle A is given. Right here A, B, C. This is 90. Side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. If we take this angle, then BC is perpendicular. Side opposite to this angle is BC. This is perpendicular. This is base and hypotenuse is fixed opposite to 90 degrees. Cos A is equal to, we know, that is B by H. This is B, this is H. B is 5, means this is 5. H is 30, this is 30. Now by Pythagoras theorem, find out P. So P square is equal to H square minus B square. H square means 169, 13 square minus 5 square. That is 169 minus 25. That is 144. So P square is equal to 144 means P is equal to root over 144, that is 12. So this is 12. Now find the value. First question. Now sin A. Sin A is equal to 12 P by H. Perpendicular by hypotenuse means 12 by 30. Cot A. Cot A is equal to, cot is the reverse of tan. Tan is equal to P by B. So cot A is equal to B by P. Means 5 by 12. By 2. Tan A. P by B. This one. This is P. 12 by 5. Find out. Simplify it. That will be the answer. For the second part. Sin A. Given sin A minus 1 by tan A. Sin A is equal to 12 by 30 P by H minus 1 by tan A. Tan A means P by B means 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Simplify it. 12 by 30 minus 5 by 12. Simplify it. That will be the answer. So simplify this one. Simplify this one. That will be the answer. You follow? So if what value given, first of all, immediately you draw the right angle triangle. Then take the value and find out other trigonometric value. Nothing. Another question. Question number 10. 4 cot A it equal to 3. Right. Now we have to find sine A. First we have to find sine A. Second sec A. Third cosec square A minus cot square A. This one we have to find. 4 cot A equal to 3. Now this question is same as the last one, but written in the different way. Can we write this question? Cot A is equal to 3 by 4. Can we write on it? This will come here. Now draw the right angle triangle. A, take A here, B here, C here. This is 90 take. Then this is hypotenuse. This angle we have to take. So this angle, then this is perpendicular, AB is base and AC is hypotenuse. Now cot A is equal to B by P. So B is 3, P is 4. By Pythagoras theorem, find out h square is equal to P square plus B square. When we put the value 4 square plus 3 square, you will get h is equal to 5. This is 5. Now put this value here. Sin A. First question. Sin A. Sin A is equal to P by H. Means sin A is equal to 4 by 5. Second, sec A. Sec A is equal to H by B. Reverse of cos. So H by B. H is 5. B is 3. And third, this is formula. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. If angle is same, its value will be 1. Put the value cosec and cot, it will come equal to 1. So cosec is the reverse of sine. So sine 4 by 5 means this is 5 by 4 square minus cot, reverse of tan. So tan P by B, this is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 square. So this is 25 by 16 minus 9 by 16. LCM is 16. 25 minus 9. 16 by 16. That is 1. So this value is 1. Question number 11. Cos A is equal to 0.6 given. Immediately, what you will do? You will write cos A is equal to 6 by 10. 6 by 10 means 3 by 5. So cos A is equal to now 3 by 5. Draw the right angle triangle. Here, this angle say A, B, C. Then this is perpendicular, this is base, and this one is hypotenuse. And this is B by H. B is 3, this is 5. Find with Pythagoras theorem. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, find out perpendicular, this will come 4. Now you find out any, you can find out any other value. So see, 3 question I saw, 3 have written in different way, but the rules is process is same. Now, cos A is equal to 1 by 2, sin B is equal to 1 by root 2. Right? Then you have to find tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. This one. See, for this make one right angle triangle, for this make another right angle triangle. Both are different. Right? for this cos A. You can choose other method also. Right? Cos A is equal to 1 by 2. Draw the right angle triangle. Say A, B, C. This angle. That this is B by H. This is 2. This is 1. This will be find out by Pythagoras theorem. So 2 square minus 1 square. BC square. 4 minus 1 means 3. So BC is equal to root 3. This is root 3. Now for sine B, draw right angle triangle. A, B, C. Say this is B. Sine B 1 by root 2. P by H. This is 1. This is root 2. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, find out AB. This will come 1. Now put this value. Tan A from this triangle, tan B from this triangle. Tan A, P by B. This one. Tan A, P by B means root 3 by 1. Tan B here, this is angle B. P by B, 1 by 1 by 1 plus tan A root 3 by 1 into tan B 1 by 1. So root 3 minus 1 by 1, 1 plus root 3. Right? So root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. Now you have to rationalize root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. That will be the, after rationalizing, that will be the final answer. So like that you have to solve some questions. Some more questions I will solve next day. Thank you very much.